Holy smokes, everyone. Welcome on in. We've got some entertainment going on, and it has not gotten any better since I posted what the heck was going on in the pre-market like 4.5 hours ago. It's basically just gotten worse. Here's Bitcoin. It literally just tested new lows, and now it tried recovering, but we're already getting the, in this case, pink candlesticks instead of red. Look at this. We went all the way down to 46,730 Bitcoin, which honestly, 2 weeks ago, I think we would have all said, dude, $47,000 Bitcoin or 46.7 Bitcoin. That's freaking amazing. Yeah, but that it doesn't help if you ended up buying Bitcoin around $56,000 or $58,000, where we topped out not too long ago here. So Bitcoin obviously having a little bit of a sell-off here, coming with like almost like a 2-day lag to Elon Musk saying that, Bitcoin is almost as worthless as cash, and that Bitcoin is, Bitcoin seems high. Who knows? Who knows? Never doubt the power of the Papa Elon to move markets. Although I will say, what happened with Tesla stock when Elon Musk came in with the sledgehammer and said, stock too high at I think it was around 750. Elon Musk went stock too high before the split. Yeah. So the stock when it was at 750 that day when he was tweeting, we were actually live on a course member live stream, and the stock dipped to like 710, 700, 690. We were watching it crash, and we're like, what's happening to Tesla's pricing? And we decided, who cares? Let's just go in and buy more. And so we were buying Tesla at like 690 and 680. And then we saw Elon was tweeting, and so we bought Tesla. And then of course, since then it's now 5x because that was split time. But anyway, whew, wow, Papa Elon, the power to move markets. It must be cool to have that power. What that could feel like to move markets the way he does. Well, so what else is moving? 2 minutes before market open here, we've got Churchill Capital. Woo! Look at that swings pre-market. We definitely have a whole lot more green in the pre-market here than we did have before. So that's good. We've got some fluctuation here. Bitcoin not doing super well today. It's a buy the dip opportunity. But take a look at this. We had a nice, almost actually more than 15% open, but roughly 15% open in the pre-market hours. A little fluctuations here. We kind of went down at first, went down to about a 10% increase. And now we are at about 19 to 20%. And we are running. We are actually rallying right now into the open. GameStop stable at 15% up, which is pretty much where it's been in the pre-market. Yeah, okay, it's got some volatility too, though. Fizz coming out of nowhere up 6%. Gevo up. AMC up. PSAC up. PSAC up about 4% here. We've got, we'll do a little bit more looking into this one here as well. Get my notepad here. All right, what else we have here? Quantum Escape going in 1.6% up. And PSAC. Okay. All right, let's see here. In terms of other losers going into the opening, we've got API, the backbone of Clubhouse, down about 7%. Clever down 3, EXPI down 3, Gores down 3, Enphase, look at this, Enphase again with that volatility, 3.6%, and there's a swing kind of trading of a stock. Tesla actually not as bad as we were doing in the morning. We were down at as low as $7.53 this morning. Let's check the bell. Here it is.
Are not good. They're just, here's a great thing to say, not as bad as they were.
Yeah, we'll get to some other names in the retail space this morning, Jim, as well. B of A, new street high for Target. But in the meantime, there's the opening bell and the S&P 500 at the NYSE. It's Loan Depot celebrating a recent listing. At the NASDAQ, it's business software company Pegasystems. And we're going to talk to the founder and CEO later on, Squawk Alley. Overall, David, extremely busy Monday, not just for your beat on M&A, but for SPACs, IPOs, Roblox, looking at that direct listing in March, and a whole lot more.
Yeah, the SPAC stuff just continues unabated. I haven't given the preparation of the week.
All right, we're going to circle back. I did increase my volume as well. I realized it was a little low. All right, so Churchill, actually a little bit of a sell-off on open here. Look at that. Look at that red line. What's going on? What's happening here? This is going to be a tough week for trading, I'll tell you. Look at this. Something that takes over an hour to build goes away in a matter of 1 minute. Oh, wait, yeah, it would help if you could actually see it. There you go. Something that takes over an hour to build goes away in under a minute here. Yeah, or now a minute, but we are fighting back up, pushing this back. A lot of so it looks like a lot of selling pressure right at the open, but we can't let Churchill go down. And Churchill's pushing right back. Faraday really seems to be trying to trace this one. PSAC. Let's see what's going on over here. Yep, there it is. There it is. Look at the push on PSAC. Wow, we had zero volume in the opening here. Very, very, very low volume. So you can't really go off the pre-market here. But let's see how this is opening relative to prior days, because this is PSAC is moving right now. Let's see. Prior days we had 70,000 open, followed by 10, 20,000, 117,000, followed by maybe an average of 5,000. Okay, and what do we have right now? Yeah, I think we're double that right now. Let's see. We are at 200,000, 82,000. Strong volume. Strong, definitely strong here. It's a very touchy kind of market right now to trade. But this, this is one to keep an eye on. You see, you can't even get stability coming out of the gate though. So here we go. There we go. We called it last week. This is why we went on this. We said Palantir will go below 30 in this dilution period. It's going to be a buy the dip, and this thing will be right back over $30. I think I said this for hours and hours last week, and if it wasn't clear enough when I sent out the alerts that I bought over, what do we buy? Somewhere around $200,000 just of Palantir to add to the position. Maybe the validation now is, but Palantir now back over $30. Now back under $30 just for a moment here. Big red candlestick coming here. Some volatility right at that $30. Maybe some sell orders executing right at $30. But folks, Palantir, great company at $30 and below. So in my opinion, if you haven't yet, take advantage of the opportunity to grab this under $30. Look at that nice red candlestick building. So that'll create another opportunity to potentially buy. We'll see how that moves in the day. Palantir, though, we knew this was going back to $30. Here it is. Now we're trading around it. We'll see how it develops. Let's see. Bitcoin. Bitcoin recovering. Back in the $50,000 range. So really quick recovery off of 46,700 there. This gives us a little bit of an indication that maybe we have support over 50K for Bitcoin, which is a really good test. We'll see what happens if we end up breaking below this again. But right now, at least, we are definitely trending up. We'll see how this also develops. Riot not doing super well today, but I would not expect that the Bitcoin related stocks could potentially do well today. I don't expect that is, to be very clear. Yeah, Mara down 10% as well. And that obviously when you have a large sell-off in Bitcoin, I would not be surprised to see this. Tesla, on the other hand, free falling here. We did build some recovery momentum going into the start of the day, into the open. But Tesla appears to be giving that up right now. This is going to be a kind of day where I do not want to refresh my portfolio value. Having a ton of money invested into Tesla relative to my portfolio, there's no question in my mind Tesla is making my entire portfolio pretty red right now. It's okay though, creates buying opportunities. $750. Hey, certainly cheaper than $800. Jeez. While we always like to see the surges at Tesla, I think we'll look back on these days and say, man, should have bought more on these days. Palantir actually struggling to hold on to that $30 figure. Look at that. We are struggling in Palantir. We know this is an over $30 stock, but on a day like today, woo, look at that selling pressure. So we're going to create some better opportunities to get into Palantir. Apparently here, look at that selling candle. Oh my gosh. Wow, coming out of the gate with pretty strong volume here. And that strong volume is pushing this back under $29 a share. Very, very clearly an indicator that today is not the kind of day that we can day trade, in my opinion. I mean, I haven't found the opportunity here because, I mean, look at this. GameStop sitting at 15%, sells off everything coming out of the gate. You know, and it's always when Tesla sells that, you know, we get that feeling that, man, it was really nice at 900. Should have taken some profits, but no. But then again, I have felt that way dozens of times at Tesla. Last time Tesla was, when it hit $900, I'm like, should have sold back before the split. You know, now it's worth 5 times that. Then I had the feeling again at certainly at when it hit $525 for the first time. Should have sold. Went down to like $350. Tesla's just got volatility built into it. If you're an investor in Tesla, you got to know that. So what else do we have here? We've got CCIV struggling to keep over that 61 figure. This is a round we were balancing and bouncing off $60 a share pretty regularly here with Lucid. We've got the merger coming tomorrow. It's going to be interesting to see is tomorrow going to be a sell the news day when the merger actually gets formally announced, or will the sell the news day be when the merger actually happens, which could be within about 2 months thereafter. Looks like PSAC is trying to find a bottom here in terms of the opening here. So maybe we're going to bounce off somewhere around 1775 on this one. Where's Palantir? Look, Palantir, those red candlesticks looked ugly. I do strongly believe this is an over $30 stock, so the short-term volatility does not change my thesis at all. But it is interesting to see, and if we create some buying opportunities here, there we go. Okay, we look at that. We bounced off 29.01. What an insane swing off the open here. I mean, coming out strong, but complete sell-off. But now the buy the dip is occurring, the under $30 buy the dip. Obviously $29, really, and under 30, in my opinion, might be an opportunity to open a position if I were going to try to swing trade this. So what else is going on? CTRX actually moving 22% today, right there along with Churchill Capital. FRX, that Disney SPAC, also moving up. FRX actually moving much more cleanly than CCIV here. A lot of enthusiasm for this. Did very, very well in the pre-market with this sort of opening here. Let's see. Zoom in a little more. Okay. Let's see. FRX moving very, very nicely. I think this could end up being a day's winner here. FRX really pushing strong. Let's see what the volume's like on this guy. Here, this could be potentially a trade. Okay, we're averaging somewhere around $100,000 shares of volume. Let's just hop on over to here. This was last trading day, which was Friday, obviously. We had short periods over 100,000. Large volume right here, peaking around 200, 400, 500,000 shares at these sort of run-ups. But the whole day, this thing traded much more closely to about 30,000 share region. And then we really sat around probably 50,000, less. I'd probably say around 20,000 in volume the day before that on Thursday. So the fact that right now, we're jumping over here. Let's see what's going on here. The volume here, 119,000. I mean, it's definitely matching Friday, and we're seeing a lot of strength on this one here. Nice chart. Doesn't have that volatility of or at least that sort of the Churchill mess. But who knows? Maybe this one will have more support. But then again, I mean, look at this. We do not have any downs here yet, really. So we'll see what happens with FRX. It's a very funky market. I'm hesitant to open positions in such a funky market. But I will say a nice push over here on FRX. Here we go. A little bit of red. Oh my gosh, look at this. Out of freaking nowhere. Whoa! $26. What? $26 on the Matterport stock. Oh my God. What? Oh my gosh, this is another one we went heavy in right there with CCIV, announced in the course, bought this. We have now doubled our position in Gores. That was a huge announcement when I sent it out in the course. I think anybody who's in the stock alert group knows that I am a Matterport buff, and I'm shocked to see this run so quickly. That is the kind of market we're in, though. The high quality ones, they move so fast. It'd be so frustrating, but so exciting when you're in it. GHVI, the Matterport SPAC, to me, this is a $30 to $40 stock. I got into this one around $13, $14. Sent out the alert there, and clearly we have now doubled. Absolutely incredible. Still running too, which is also very impressive that this thing is still running the way it is. Big shout out from CNBC last week on GHVI. I thought that, okay, after a CNBC shout out, there's a good chance there could be some consolidation on this, but nope, just going straight to the moon. This one is literally straight to the moon. Yeah, let's see what else is going on here. We are now over $27 a share on GHVI. It looks like the winners are just concentrated today. We've got FRX, looks like it's moving up still. We are now 19.7% up. Really good direction. Looks like, though, I mean, I don't know. I mean, GHVI seems to be a potential runner here with a little bit more strength than FRX. Average volume really just blew up about 5 minutes after the open. No, but FRX continues that run. Both of these, you might want to, you might look and go, hey, maybe both of these are the positions that you play today. We've got GVO up 2%. Let's see what else is going on. Let's come back to these in just a moment. Oh my God, we are now up 14% on GHVI. We are about to surpass CCIV, which, see, we didn't really have that strong chart on CCIV. We had a lot of this movement today on CCIV. So it's no surprise to me that GHVI, I mean, it's surprising that it continues to rally so much, but no surprise with this chart pattern that it looks like it is about to bypass CCIV. That is, Matterport is about to bypass Churchill. Look at this, FRX continuing its run as well. Both of these, honestly, these are the guys with the momentum today. It is such a rough day here. I personally, let's see here. Man, look at these charts. This is so incredible. Oh my gosh, 23% now on FRX. I mean, these are really moving faster than we can even keep up with them. Oh, we got our first red candlestick here on GHVI. FRX continuing to plow up, though. Absolutely exciting to watch. Zoom in a little bit here. Let's see if this ends up having a sort of a support level here. And FRX continuing its skyrocket here. I would be interested in if we get a sell-off here on FRX, maybe jumping in on this. But quite frankly, had we just gotten in here when I started babbling about it, we would have already been up 9 percentage points at this point. Again, very, very volatile markets. We've got to be careful today. Just look, for example, at the price action on Bitcoin. I mean, this has been moving down, straight down. Went down to 52,000, and you would have thought, hey, that would have been a good place to buy in. But no, look at what came shortly after, a 46,700 sort of Bitcoin crash here. Now this has created a very nice V-shaped recovery here. But, wow. Somebody's asking if there's any news. Oh my gosh, on Enphase. Hold on. I know that's not what you're asking about, but Enphase, huge sell-off on Enphase. Somebody's asking if there's any news on CCIV. Well, heck yeah, there is. Don't know where you've been, but on Saturday I posted a big old video that CCIV is expected to have the merger officially announced on Tuesday. We'll see if that actually comes to fruition. But folks, Enphase, big sell-off here. And it is the energy and EV companies that are just doing horribly today. At least Tesla's doing horribly today. Enphase, horribly. I mean, some of the big positions here, the big longs are just suffering today. We've got, let's see, Enphase not doing very well. What's Neo doing today? Let's pull Neo on the charts. Neo, very, very volatile chart. Not too exciting. Neo's heading to that $45 price target that I have for Neo. We've got XPEV. Let's see how XPeng's doing. XPeng's also down about 1.6%. Let's see what, for example, a Tattooed Chef. So just to get a different reading here. Nope, also down 1%. It looks like really just everything wants to kind of get spanked today. Nothing's very, very happy with the exception of the SPACs. The SPACs are just killing it right now. We've got Disney. Disney's up, but still sitting at 185. I mean, sold off after some very, very, very good earnings. Very good foods down about 1%. Let's go back to our big winners for the day here. Let's see what the heck is going on. This is just shocking. Look at that. FRX continues its push. We got our first red candlesticks after a massive push here. Actually, GHVI pulling back, so we'll see what kind of support we get here. But instead, it is the fitness SPAC that appears to really be holding itself firm. Now up 25%. During the market here, or during the market open. We have given up some of the gains at both CCIV and Matterport on the day. CCIV trying to come back, though, trying to push back. Very volatile here on CCIV. We got the ups and downs. It looks like really, I mean, the trade pattern here, it just looks so beautiful on FRX. Let's see what kind of support level we get here. See if it makes sense to open a trade, or if today is just going to be too nasty to do anything on this at all, which is entirely possible. Today is just a very, very, very challenging day. We've got Matterport now only up about 5%. Still, the fact that this is up after the amazing push that we've seen is really incredible. We're at 25.60 on GHVI. Let's pull up Palantir. Oh my gosh, Palantir now green, back to 29.25. Palantir trying to bounce off that win as low as 28.64 with pain. Now bouncing off of that. We'll see if this can run back to $30. Today's rough to be able to rely on things for sure running today. I don't know. Today's a fascinating day. GameStop coming back. GameStop gave up a lot of the pre-market gains just shortly after the market opened and is now recovering very, very strongly. FRX is continuing its run. It is continuing its run. It pit stopped for a minute, and the run continues on FRX. It is now 29%. Looks like this is going straight for a bullish breakthrough again here. We're going to be $20 on the stock very soon. This is a SPAC, very, very exciting SPAC. Former Disney executives in on this one. Let's see what kind of news we might have around with this one. Let's briefly jump on over to CNBC just to hear what they're saying here, and we'll comment there, and we'll be right back.
And maybe from tapering as well. Put up that full screen here. So how far can you do that? What's the inflation story, and how far is the reflation trade going to go at this point? It's had quite a run. Thank heavens for Janet Yellen. The street loves Yellen. They believe the go big stimulus is going to work and going to happen. But look at the reflation trade already. We've gone a long ways. Energy's up 20%. The China trade, banks, copper, all up. Russell 2000. The defensive sectors are doing nothing. You know, consumer staples, utilities, healthcare. If you put that up there, they're just kind of stuck doing absolutely nothing. Mega cap names, they're also well off of their highs as well here. I mentioned Amazon's gone nowhere. Its high was back in August. Apple's high was a month ago. It's 10% off of its highs. So you see these stocks all moving to the downside. As for what's going on with Jeff Immelt and General Electric, watching David's interview with great interest. Those of us who are of a certain age had a lesson to learn from this, and that is don't put too much of your 401k money in the company that you own. It was the only stock we were allowed to own. Of course, we were GE employees back then. Many of us were very enthusiastic about that. GE went from $7 in 1993. This is split adjusted. It split 3 times.
We're going to go back to the candlesticks here. So, yeah, I mean, generally, I would say overall, big old downward movement in the market today here. I know CNBC here is talking about a lot of excitement with Janet Yellen, but she's not a Larry Kudlow, okay? Larry Kudlow, he can rescue any market. That guy comes out, whoo, he rescues markets. Just at least when he was in the Trump administration, he'd come out. We're seeing a V-shaped recovery. Everything's going strong. Everything's great, even though everything was going to crap. This guy knew how to pump a market temporarily. It was pretty incredible. FRX, we got potentially a little bit of a test here. Let's see what happens. Nope, it's pushing right. It's going to push right through this, isn't it? Yeah, I think it will. Let's see what happens. If we get a big retracement, could be an interesting opportunity to buy the thing, to buy the dip. I like buying the dips. Churchill, big poopy doopy going on over here. Not sure why all of a sudden this is taking a big poopy doopy here. But remember, this was at a low of about 57 in the pre-market. We might smash through that here. We'll see what happens. We're at about 59 right now. Really interesting. Just everything. Matterport. Okay, Matterport. Trying to find support at 25, 25.11, bouncing off. This one does not want to fall. FRX does not want to fall right now. Somebody says NGAC announcement. We'll check that out. NGAC. We'll see what that is. Okay, big candlestick push. Here we go. Here's some red. Oh, okay, second candlestick coming now. Second red. For me, I would say I'd be interested in potentially picking this one up right here. What is this? Just as to see if we for some reason retrace. I don't think we will, but if we were to retrace back to 1653 and then we bounce off that, that could be very interesting. We'll see if it does that. So this is what do we? Let's set this at about 1655. 1655. I'd be down to set a limit on this. Let's see. How much would we put in? A couple thousand shares? Yeah, that's usually about what we trade with. Okay. I don't think this is going to go through, but we'll place it right now anyway, just so we have something in the game here. Out of all of them, right now, FRX just has the nicest chart. Let's see how the volume's holding up. So if the volume's collapsing, no, volume's still very, very strong. Very, very strong. Every indicator for me is looking pretty strong here on FRX. I'm going to be a little bit, I'm going to be the G word a little bit here. And did we put this in? We put this in. Waiting for this to actually show up on the chart. Okay. Wait for that. But yeah, I'd rather this this show up here where the bar is. Let's see here. Where is my order? Okay. We can pull it. I'll pull up the app too in a sec. FRX. There's a delay with how long until it actually shows the darn thing, which is always funny. Open orders. My open order not go through? It's the open order 0. I'm pretty sure I saw the thing go through. Hold on, give me one sec. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, we just want to at least place the limit order. No. Nope. I guess did not push that through. Let me try one more time. I place that at 1655 limit 2000 buy, no stop loss. Good till cancel. Let's try one more time. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Yep. Must have messed up the window there. Sometimes I get to talking so much I stop paying attention to what I'm actually doing. I do need a little bit more coffee. Thank you for mentioning coffee. Okay, so we're definitely consolidating here. That's why I'm setting this limit right now. And it's possible that we could break straight through. So I'm going to watch this. I really want to wait for support on this, but I want to have this ready to go. So I'm going to leave it there for a second. We'll leave it there. We'll see what happens. And we'll see if we could catch a bounce on this. That'll be really cool if we could. But not sure that we will. Okay. Let's try to push up again. Okay. Let's also look at Bitcoin for a second. We'll leave this here for a sec. Churchill back up. bouncing off 60 again. It really wants to stay above 60. Uh-oh. Gores. Oh, pretty much gave up its entire run today. Almost gave up its entire run. Very, very tough day, though. So today is a day for very, very thick skin. You could place a trade today and lose. We are bouncing off of actually 17-ish. 1710. We're getting the bounce on FRX. Does not look like we're going to be able to pick me up. Unfortunately, I'm too gun shy of today's market to dive in. But here's our support. We're bouncing off of this. It is much higher than I thought by about 50 cents. But this makes sense. The volume is here though. The volume's here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait on that one. We'll wait and see if we get a second. But CCIV is moving up on that the same movement here as well. In my opinion, that's potentially a confirmation that the market is moving back to that excitement phase. So we're gonna see some more green candlesticks, just like we're seeing over at Palantir as well. We've got going to all stocks again. We've got Gamestop hold strong with 15%. American Airlines. Wow. What is happening at American Airlines? Let's see. Call the FAA. What's going on? Sector-wide upgrade from Deutsche Bank. That's all Weeble's going to give us. That's kind of boring. All right. Let's see here. Technology leads declines. Commodities rally. Bitcoin tumbles after Musk hints prices are excessive. Oh my gosh, that's what they're going to tell Wall Street? Wall Street is inflation-proofing its debt market portfolios. Okay. Yellen favors higher corporate tax rate. Yeah, but this is old news. Yellen was talking about this last week. Maybe raising the corporate tax rate, maybe seeing a financial transactions tax. But foot on the gas in terms of the money printer. Okay, FRX. Let's go back to the chart here. Come on. You know you want to go to my line. You know you want to pick up Kevo. Come on. Pick him up at 16.55. I do not want to pay you a dime more than I want to pay you a penny more than 16.55. Although there is a chance that if it got really close, I might pay a penny more. But I shouldn't say that. No. It needs to be 16.55. Let's go. Pick Kevin up and go to the moon. Interestingly, the volume overall continues to remain very strong here. All right. CTRX, a little volatile, but maintaining its 25% here. GameStop maintaining its 15%. Churchill maintaining right around 60. It's very, very magnetic around 60 here. Let's go close the order slide a little bit. Give us a little bit more room. Let's move pre-market as well away. This will obviously turn into aftermarket later, but we don't need this here right now. It takes up a lot of space. Clean up the desktop a little bit. We'll even consolidate. There we go. Close those in a little bit. Okay, that's a little bit cleaner. Come on. Pick up Kevin. Let's go. It really wants to stay above 1710. Is it gonna break? Let's see. Is it gonna break that prior support level? I don't know. 1711, 1710. Let's see what happens. If it bounces up higher off of this, if it just ladders up, it could be a pretty bullish sign. If it just continues to ladder up, we'll see what happens. What are we potentially going to see another dip over here or something like this, bounce off that? Bullish, obviously. So GameStop, slight red candlestick here, zone. Okay, Palantir, 1.5%. Very rough day so far for Palantir. It's been very tough for it to hold on to any of its gains. Matterport, look, I'm grateful that this is even green, given the huge shout out from CNBC. Wow. Okay, yeah, bouncing right off this one again. This is a bullish sign for FRX. Volume is slowing a bit. Little bit of a slowing in volume here. But people who are in on this, they're holding this one right now. So the people who got in on this one to trade this one, they're holding in on this. Let's go to all stocks. CCV back under 60. It rubber bands 60. 59.61, 59.61, 59.61. That's what we're seeing right here. Carnival, look at the recovery stocks moving today. Oh my gosh, the cruisies. The cruisies going straight up here in the day. Is this an abnormal volume? Oh my gosh, a lot of share volume. And you got an average of like 300, 400,000 shares here. What's going on? Let's listen to this for just one moment here.
Cause for two fan blades that have fractured SEMA.
No. Look, we don't need to hear more right now about the accidents or the engine failures there. We heard about engine failures. We got stocks to talk about. Nobody got hurt, thank God. Okay, looking at the volume here on Carnival Cruise Line, we have substantially more. I mean, well, we got strong open volume here at the last trading day here, but nice sustained movement here. Wow, sustained money printing going on here. Lots of volume going into Carnival here. Lot of volume going in. This could be up 8% today. Look at this, 5.5%. American Airlines moving 9%. QuantumScape coming back from the dead. PSAC also up 8%. I wrote this one down 3 percentage points ago and never came back to it. Oops. I'm going to go look in the Bloomberg here to see what the news is on this one. FRX, what are we doing? Yeah, I don't know. Volume has really subsided on this one. I'm going to cancel my order for now. Volume subsiding, even if it starts dipping with this volume reduction, not as exciting. PSAC, on the other hand, let's pull this one up. All right, let's see what we got. I'm pretty sure it's Faraday. But I could be wrong on that. I want to verify. I thought it was Faraday, but let's see. Okay, we know it's a blank check acquisition company. Hold on. Let's see what this is. I want to go deeper on this one. PSAC. I wanted to do a deep dive on this one, but I haven't done it yet. So let's do a little bit of a dive right now. Yeah, it is Faraday. Okay, good. So what's the news today? Let's see what the news is today. News for PSAC. Okay, individual company news. Why is this one pushing today? Seeks to raise $250 million in cash in IPO. Property Solutions Acquisitions Corp. Faraday Futures announces 3 new members to its advisory board. Options volume surges. Let's understand PSA. Let's look at a Faraday a little bit. Here's the 8K. So what's the valuation that they're going for on this one? 77 million shares. Okay, will be issued to Anchor. Blah blah blah. Get a per share an aggregate of $20 million. Okay, I need to know the valuation here. Okay, it's honestly going to be a little easier if I just Google this really quick. PSAC Faraday valuation. Let's compare the valuation. $6 billion. Okay. Here we go. Barron's, such a great news source, by the way. Okay, so this was announced a while ago, a couple weeks ago. This has not gotten the same enthusiasm as Lucid has. The EV startup, let's see here. Faraday plans to compete with the likes of Rolls-Royce, Bentley, and Ferrari and Lamborghini. We've got the SPAC values. Faraday stock at about $3.4 billion. But Faraday's market cap is up to about $6 billion based on the share price of roughly $17.80. Okay, so 3.4. I mean, this is relative. This is really cheap relative to CCAV, right? Faraday Future. Let's see what they have. Faraday Future. Let's take a peek at this. So I want to know, how close are we on this if I were to reserve this now? Let's do a little bit of DD together here. So priority reservation, sure, why not? $5,000. Come on. When am I going to get it? You're only going to... Wow. A single... Smart, actually. A single splash page to sign up. Like, there's no confirmation. It's literally like info, billing, complete. Smart way to do signups. Very transparent, simple. Look, let's see this here. Charging. Oh, I love the look of the artwork here. And I'm getting a little bit of a Nicola flair from some of the coloring here. I don't know if it's the same artist, but I have to say, this angle's a little better. I don't love the look of this so much on the side. It's maybe I just have to get used to it. I will say though, I love the look of that car charger. The charging stand looks really sleek and nice. I like that. That black looks nice. Okay, here support blog. Let's get some FAQ. Maybe we can find out when this darn thing's coming out. So, how do I apply for a position at Faraday in the Los Angeles headquarters? Okay, I don't want to. This is an FAQ on working here. Who is Faraday Future? Launched in 2014. It's a global shared intelligent mobility ecosystem. So do they have their own autopilot or what? Faraday's vision is to create a shared intellectual mobility ecosystem. This means nothing. Stop BSing me and provide me some facts here. When will you produce a vehicle? You didn't answer the question. Okay. So far, not happy here. Let's see what the plans are here. Okay, wants to get to 21 billion. I don't care about 2025. I want to know when your first car is coming out. Investors have to decide about its assumptions, right? Maybe we could look at a slide deck on this one. I don't know. We got to go back to the chart, though. I think I'm going to have to do a little bit of a deeper dive separately on Faraday here. But so far, 2023 expects to have sales of 4 billion. 2023. When are you going to start? It will have 1050 horsepower. That's pretty similar to Lucid and the Model S Plaid. Base will start around $100,000. Futuristic version will be 200 to 300 grand. Oh my gosh. They say they have 14,000 reservations. Very, very high end. Okay. Will launch with level 3 autonomous driving system. That's interesting. That's actually very interesting because Lucid says they'll launch Model 3 or level 3 autonomous ready. So I'm going to do a deeper dive on this. This is interesting to me. We'll see. Let's go back to the sticks though. So that is the Bloomberg terminal. Let's go back to the sticks. Look at this. It's just bouncing around the lines we drew here. But folks, this trade's done. The volume's not coming back. I don't think we're going to see that breakout again over here. Today's not the day to expect breakouts anyway, honestly. I mean, look at this. Sideways crap. Sideways crap. That's all we're getting. So, GameStop struggling. GHVI coming back to print the tendies, though. Yeah, baby. Woo! GHVI. Woo! I love this one. Although in some sense, I kind of wanted to sell off again and go back to like 19 so I could just buy some more. Got a good exposure into it. Love the company, though. Really love Matterport. You just can't go wrong with this one. So glad we got into that one early, but I can't look into the past. I got to look going forward. Solar window tech selling off hardcore here, 13.6%. Potential buy the dip here. What happened here? Oh, massive volume all of a sudden to the downside. I don't think we're getting good volume here to the upside, but maybe a buy the dip if you were into that one. Shift Technology reports March 8th. Nice dip right here. We got Lemonade back into the low 140s. We've got Bitcoin. Yeah, okay. Bitcoin potentially heading back down here, but down at 53,000 right now. It's fighting a short-term dip here. What else do we have? Let's see. Churchill Capital really flat. American Airlines, my gosh, here we go. Just on the recovery stocks, Airlines really pushing it here. Where's Carnival? Yep, Carnival. What did I say? I'm like, this looks like this could be at least up 8%. When it was around, what, 5%? It's just seeing the volume we saw there. Now it's up 7.5%, pushing a little bit. A little bit of a red candlestick right now, though. See what happens. Very good. Volume slowing down a little bit, but still very strong volume here. Have to say. PSAC selling off a little bit. GameStop. GameStop pushing up. Going in for a little bit of a rally again here on GameStop. Hang in there, folks, because I like the stock. Lots of red today. Lots of red in the market. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So, taking a peek again. API down 11%. Let's see what's going on with Clubhouse. This is the engine behind this. I want to see what's going on with API. Let's quickly look at Bloomberg here. See, why would API be doing this? EBIX, I have no idea what that is. We'll look in a second here. API. So, individual news. Let's see if there was any particular news on API in terms of why we would be seeing this. Now, yeah, okay, here we go. BlackRock scientists. Oh, BlackRock. BlackRock Science cut Agora yesterday. It's interesting. So disclosure that there was a cut. That really hurt. Why? Why did BlackRock cut them? Investments boosted its holdings. Highlights reduced Agora. No. Decreased holdings. Down 60%. Wow. Really reduced a good chunk here. Yeah, that'll definitely create some downward pressure. Data breach on Clubhouse. Is that why? No. Seriously? It's going to sell off because of that? Hold on. Clubhouse data breach. Can't even spell breach. Oh, wow. That could be a buy the dip, folks. Clubhouse chats are breached, raising concerns over security. A week after popular blah, blah, blah. Okay, an unidentified user was able to stream Clubhouse audio feeds this weekend from multiple rooms into their own third-party website. Permanently banned the user, installed new safeguards. Really? That's the breach? I mean, I don't see why that's so horrible. Like, I mean, so basically somebody just restreamed some stuff. It's selling off because of that? I mean, maybe I'm underestimating here, but it sounds kind of a dumb reason to sell off as much as it is. So obviously this thing has gone to the moon here, especially with the Elon Musk hype and Vlad coming onto Robinhood or onto Clubhouse. Big move on API stock here. I would be interested in this. If this started breaking down to some of those lower support levels we had after it really hit the market here, into that, wow, it went down as low as $33 here, despite opening around $50. Yeah, back in when was this? Back June of last year. You know, if this really broke some lower levels, I think I'd be open to creating a larger position. I don't think we're going to see that. I wouldn't be surprised if we end up bouncing off of this today. It's sideways trader today, not a trade. I'll keep an eye on it. Not convinced to do anything right now. Oh, what's Tesla doing though? Let's go back to Tesla here. Oh yeah, and then somebody else mentioned stock here. We'll look at this too. Tesla 762. Okay, so trying to recover a little bit here. Well, yeah, what's this EB stock I keep hearing about here? EBIX. I don't even know what that is. EBIX. Forgive me for my innocence or ignorance. I don't know. Oh, wow. 48%. What's happening here? All right, well, let's learn. EBIX. I like big drops like that. All right, first of all, let's figure out what the heck this is while we take a sip of coffee. EBIX supplies software and electronic commerce solutions for the insurance industry. Oh, my God. That's... sorry if you work in that field. I just like providing supplies for insurance. It's just insurance is an industry I hate, with the exception of lemonade, and providing for it. I don't know. The company provides applicant. You know what? EBIX, like, if I was in the insurance industry and I understood what the heck it was, that's interesting. Okay, yeah, it's a CRM for insurance. Customer resource manager. Interesting. So it's kind of like it's like a Salesforce for the let's see if I can get a primer on this one for the insurance industry almost. If they have a primer, that would be freaking awesome. Let's see here. They got to do more of these. Bloomberg needs to hire more people and get us more intelligence primers. These are, yeah, and of course not. They're so good when they have them. So good. Okay, let's look at the news. Topo Chico would be very nice right now. Actually, didn't bring any water in here. Idiot. All right, what's happening here? EBIX, over 95% of sales of gift cards do not involve extending payment terms. Okay, I honestly don't even understand what the heck that has to do with this, but okay. Oh, here we go. Investigation. Oh, I guarantee you this is a short seller. Okay, here we go. Nationally ranked and award-winning shareholder rights firm is investigating potential security violations and breach of fiduciary duty claims against EBIX. Woo! This is oftentimes what sounds like a buy the dip opportunity for me. If you currently own shares of EBIX and want to receive additional information to protect your investments free of charge, contact the law offices of David J. Schwartz using the toll-free number or email. Oh, it's the short sellers back at it again. Okay, can I see the source, please? Copy web link. It's just a Business Wire post here. So they publish this themselves. Okay, let's understand this company a little bit. How much shorting do these guys do? Okay. Oh, folks, we got to do a tweet. Which dip are you buying? Let's do a tweet here, okay? Bitcoin dip, Tesla dip, or you know what? We'll do which are you buying? FRX mooning or CCIV mooting. Let's start with those. I should put GHVI in here, but you know what? Let's do that. GHVI mooning. Which are you buying today? Bitcoin. I'll throw in here ETH dip. There we go. I'll put Ether. Okay, cool. So go to, let's find this out so we can do a result. Okay, go to at RealMeatKevin on Twitter. Okay, SEC whistleblower attorneys. I'm going to turn notifications on for these guys. Because I love, this is like, it's almost like ambulance chasing when you follow these short sellers around. Op-ed this morning in the New York Times. Oh, wow. Oh, that's from 2016. Okay. Oh, they barely tweet, though. Ah, dang it. Okay, well, that's not as fun. All right, so I'm sure they have a news section here. News. No. No, they don't even keep their website updated. What morons. Come on. How am I supposed to find out? But this is normal for them. Investigation alert. Surgical center employees potentially impacted by illegal no-poach agreement. Class action against Chengdu.com. Okay. It's interesting. I always like seeing what they do. They actually don't file that many class actions. Like sometimes you get these companies, they literally file them. It seems like just every week they're filing stuff. Let me see. Announces lawsuit. Let's look at the news and see how. Okay. Oh yeah, here we go. Well, that was 3 days ago. They went after Penumbra Inc. Penumbra Inc. stock. I don't even know what that is. But let's go to the 1 month. So that was on, when was this announced? 3 days ago? It did like nothing to the stock. That's funny. So it did nothing that day. Oh, they went after EHang as well. Oh, they're one of the EHang chasers. Okay, that's interesting. And Clover Health from 2 weeks ago. Interesting. Clover stock. See, you gotta get to know the attorneys in these short sells. Clove's been straight down though since these lawsuits really 2 weeks ago. So somewhere around here. Yeah. I mean, Clove's down and stayed down. Okay. let's see what's going on the sticks. Let's go back here. So EBIX, it's trying to recover right now. 47% down. What's our volume like? 30,000, 60,000. Let's say this is probably an average volume of about 30,000. Let's zoom out a little bit here. So pre-market is really where this thing fell off a cliff. This thing has no volume ordinarily. Zero volume. I mean, EBIX, this is a stock that has nothing usually. Let's go to the day. So this particular stock, recent run-up, dramatic run-up. Oh my gosh. Market crash time, it went from $8.75 all the way up to $64 here at one point. Oh my gosh, look at how low it's gone. Holy smokes. Oh my gosh. It gave up everything going back to November. Okay. So this thing really started rallying after the election. And it's almost completely given up the last, election rally here. All of these months here, November, December, January. Interesting potential buy the dip opportunity here. Just very, very low volume. So you have to be careful on this one. Let's zoom in, though, to the day here. Nicely recovering, though. Hit a low of 24. We've bounced off 24 a little bit. I don't know. Let's see here. 19,000 sustained volume. I mean, nice sustained chart here. This could be a buy the short sell dip. At the same time, borrows down. I'll come back to this one. I'm going to put some thought into this. Not very strong price action up. At the same time, Bitcoin dipping again. 53,000. Very volatile right here. Which, let's take a look. Let's see if I got paid my interest today. Okay, let's go to BlockFi. Many of you know that I really have been loving BlockFi because they pay me lots of interest. I think they pay like 7% on your Bitcoin holdings with BlockFi, which is really freaking amazing. I'm personally super excited about that. Of course, I need to log in. So let's log in really quick. Let's get my password stuff and log in again. Darn it. I hate password managers. I hate passwords. I hate everything. I hate it all. But I want to see if they paid me today. Interestingly, yesterday when I logged in to see if I got my 7% on the daily, it took until later in the day for me to actually see the rest of the interest show up. It was like I got half the interest in the morning and like half later in the day. It was kind of interesting to see that. But let's see. I've had this account open or funded for 3 days now. And so far, it's consistently been paying out about that 7%. Obviously, right now, though, the Bitcoin's down. So we're going to see a little bit of pain in the account. But that's okay. 135, 195. We're not trading the BTC. But if you have not gotten BlockFi yet, I recommend going to metkevin.com/BF. I've not gotten paid my interest yet. So I just have 2 days worth of interest in here. I'll pull it up. 2 days worth of interest. There we go. And if I press this button, it'll show up. Yeah, there we go. So 2 days worth of interest at $107. This is where it was last night. So we haven't seen the interest update yet. But later today, maybe around market close, I want to see this going up another $50. So we'll see what happens. But if you have not signed up for BlockFi yet, what an amazing way to hold your Bitcoin. Go to metkevin.com/BF. If you deposit either Bitcoin or cash, you'll get up to $250 totally for free. Surprising here, Ethereum selling off more than Bitcoin. We've got about a 12 in the last 24 hours, about a 12.8% sell off on Ethereum, 12% sell off on Litecoin, and about 8% Bitcoin sell off. So I'll be waiting to see my interest come in on a red day on Bitcoin with BlockFi. So again, go to metkevin.com/BF if you haven't signed up for this yet. You can also watch my price comparison video if you haven't seen that yet. Just type in Meet Kevin best price for Bitcoin on YouTube. Watch my price comparison videos. Honestly, it was shocking. It was a shocking move. Okay, we're still moving on EBIX. It's slow and steady here, moving in the upward direction. This could be a buy the dipper here. We're getting a little bit of a red growing here. Volume. I want to see what happens here with this red candlestick. Very, very, very small candles. Not a lot of movement here. End phase, folks. If you're looking for a buy and hold dip, it's end phase. We broke our 178. This is previously we'd go like 178, 210, 178, 210. We just broke below that, just like we're breaking on Tesla here as well. Dropbox, Peloton, 135. Wow, that's a low for Peloton here recently. Yeah, definitely letting some steam out. EXPI holding firm at about 140, which is really good. 140 pre-split, right? Oh, a little bit more red here. Let's see how this red candlestick performs here. Let's see if we keep getting red on that one. We'll keep an eye on that. Let's go back to our runners for a moment here. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. We hit my number. My number was a low, but I canceled the order. Oh, come on. Oh my God, we hit the 1655. Oh, it probably would have gone through. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is so crazy. That is so crazy. We called that to the freaking penny. Oh man. Obviously, I just slightly missed that by about 25 cents here. Let's see what the volume's like. Lot lower volume right now, but that is hilarious. Oh my gosh, that is priceless. Like 6 people told you in chat. Yeah, sorry, I missed that. Wow, come on. How do you perfectly mark that as an entry point? That's freaky. I canceled my entry, but because the volume was starting to subside. But still, that is so freaky. Okay, so CCIV, yeah, it's just because it's the market is just not having a fun day today. But that is very, very, very entertaining. I like that. So I don't know if we're gonna revisit that, but that was very cool. Yeah. Okay, moving on. So what's Redfin doing? Redfin. You know what I have to do now? Yeah, okay. Here's what we're going to do. I'm not going to chase it. Because today's so weak, we're going to be mean. We're going to be mean on this one. I don't think it's going to happen because we had our dip, but I'm going to be mean. I'm going to go for the gigs. Okay? 2,000 shares, and I'm going to leave this one too, okay? Watch this. 2,000, 1649. I missed my 655. So I'm just going to be a little baby about it. It missed my number. So there we go. Hey, look, I had no expectations of the other one hitting. So we'll see. Maybe we'll play with this. Although, honestly, if this goes here, it's kind of a sign that it's just the big rally out of it is gone, right? So maybe we should be a little bit more evil. I don't know. Do we want to be more evil on this? Hold on. Let's go back. Let's look at hour for a sec. Obviously, it's all-time highs here. What's our previous support we had on this? Oh, in the 14s. Yeah. I mean, even if I go to the high here, it's like 1580. It's just got a lot of juice in it today. What did it open at today? It opened at 15.99. If I wanted to be a real jerk, no, we got to give it some gains for the day. We got to give it some gains. There we go. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. We'll see what happens. All right. Let's see here. CCIV. Yeah, you can't trade it today. You can't trade it today, except for Carnival. Oh, Carnival broke through my 8%. Now it's consolidating a little bit. What's the volume like? Very strong on Carnival. Still very, very, very strong. The whole recovery sector is pushing today. Everything in recovery pushing today. 5.19% on Bitcoin. Bitcoin down 55.8. No, sorry. It is currently at Wait, where are we right now? No. We're way lower. We're 52. Oh, there we go. Oh gosh, we're at 53. Yeah, there we go. We're not at 55. What am I talking about? All right. Wow. Blink down 2. Energy selling off. Wayfair and Enphase. Oh, why is the whole energy sector selling off? What is it? Is it like an assumption that because Bitcoin goes down, energy consumption is going to go down? You know what I got into this morning at like 3 a.m.? Okay, you're gonna laugh, or maybe you won't laugh. Maybe you think it's cool. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know. Okay. So hold on. I got before I say anything, I got to see if it's okay. If it's doing okay. Hold on. It is. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, you ready for this? Look what I got into. I just have a stupid my Rust computer. Look at what my Rust computer is doing right now, folks. It's mining some Bitcoin. It's terribly weak. But I have no idea why it shows this in euros, but apparently my profitability in 24 hours is expected to be €4.67 right now. Oh man. 24-hour profitability. Again, not sure why I'm in euros here. See if I can take that off euros. But I have a worker now. I got a Bitcoin miner. Yeah. I'm excited by that. Listen, I'm concerned though, because I have a little bit of an obsessive personality, and I'm concerned that in a month my entire garage is going to turn into a Bitcoin mining facility. So this could be really toxic. So I'm not really sure how I feel about this. But oh, we got to turn on dark mode. Yeah. Oh, I don't know how to get it off euros, but you know what? We'll just stay on euros for a sec. There we go. Look at dark mode. Ooh, that is nice. Oh, with that nice like lime green mining icon there up top. Ooh, that's nice. GPU and CPU operating here. GPU, like I don't know anything about this stuff, but just absolutely crushes. It's really cool compared to the CPU. So we'll see. We'll see. If you start a blockchain mining shop, I will work for you. Are you local? Can you run my stuff for me? You must be local if you said that. Unless there's CPU mining isn't worth it. I would imagine that. What GPU is that? Honestly, it's like a potato. It's FRX. Oh my gosh! Wait. No, I gotta be a dick. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that. $15.99. Let's go. Come on, $15.99. Every time I set a price target, it goes to it. It's magnetic. It's almost like, and I don't want to say this because I'm not taking responsibility for this, but it's almost like my price targets are pulling it down. Sorry. That is crazy. Every time I set one, it dips to that. This is not a good trend, though. This is not a good trend, right? We got volume decrease. We have a volume decline, and we're trending down. I'm just going to leave it here for the giggles because we seem to be magneting this down, which, again, I don't want it to fall if you're in on this, but selfishly, I do want a low entry point. Oh, yeah, so I was going to say, it's like the, what this is mining on right now is the AMD like 1660 or something like that. 16, is that one? 1660, something like that. But yeah, Faraday failed in Nevada, scrapped its factory plans in 17. Ooh, let me know. Oh, tell me more about this. Put your entry lower, IMO. Yeah. Tesla below 7. What's going on in the market? That's cray. Oh my God. Oh, I'm going to go bankrupt, folks. Like, they're going to shut my power off here. I'm going to go bankrupt off Tesla alone. Holy crap. Oh my God. Mouse up. Jeez, man. Oh, wow. Tesla's just, ooh. Oh my gosh. Enphase selling off too. Oh my gosh. The world is ending. This is why trading on days like today is very dangerous. I said it many a time. Trading on a day like today is dangerous. You got your trades are staying flat and your holds are selling off. I mean, even Palantir below 29 again. Oh man. Please show us your Tesla. Dude. Man. I mean, I could log into my JP Morgan. Hold on. Let's see how it's going to be a very ugly ugly red amount. I don't usually look at my my portfolio on red days. It's a very toxic thing to do, but for entertainment purposes, I might do it. Let's see what it says. Oh, that's actually not that horrible. I've seen much more red days. No, is that updated? Hold on. I'll show you. Yeah. So this is how much money just this one account is down. So we're doing this for the giggles, okay? And make sure to use coupon code HODL or HODL for the stock and investment course so you can see every time I buy or sell stocks. Anything that I change in any of my portfolios, you get alerts for. And you only pay once, lifetime access. And we get to hang out in the private live streams, which is really when I go do a lot more Q&A. You know, I've really been babbling for like the last hour and 10 minutes. But yeah, okay, let's show you the red. The red, okay? You want Schadenfreude? There you go. Down right now, $359,000 on the day. Ooh. Let's refresh. $367,000 now. Golly, don't do that. Don't do that. It's stupid. Oh, man. You got to laugh at it. You got to laugh at it. Yeah, it could be worse. Oh, man. Sylvia says they bought a bundle this morning. Oh, thank you for joining. Thank you for that. Impressive loss porn. Oh, that's hilarious. Cash out and put all your money into the Tesla Roadster. No, man. No money going to the cars. Yeah, thank you, Silvarius, for buying the bundle. Jim on CNBC. What's his? I don't see him. I see a commercial on CNBC right now. I should be buy the dip. I know. No Schadenfreude. Sorry, sucks. Yeah, well, thank you for the sympathy then. Yeah. All right. You just bought my house. Oh my God. Oh, geez. Okay. Yeah. I know. Rough day. Show us the Tesla. Oh man, that bought my house. Meet Kevin Roadster. All right. What else we got going on? FRX moving back up. All right, let's go back over here. Let's see what we got. All right. Yeah, make sure to use the coupon code HODL. Fix roll assignments in Discord. Yeah, I am trying to find a better way to fix the roll assignments. Is the bot down? Sometimes that happens. Yeah, it does look like that. Sometimes the bot's down. That's a stupid thing. Thank you. I'll take care of you. If you just if you're having an issue with the roll, just send me a quick email at kevin@meetkevin.com, and we'll get you enrolled this morning before the live. So it's email. There we go. Tap. Okay. So what else do we have here? FRX 17%, 1650. It's really struggling around this point. The bundle coupons are, when you scroll down, which look at the pinned comment here, but when you scroll down, you'll see the bundles down below. Okay, Churchill Capital. See, look at this. It's just really rubber bands right above and below 60. You can't trade today. You just can't rely on trades today. Let's see what the volume's doing on F. See, this is no. This is deflating. I'm canceling this. This is deflating. The volume is substantially down here in the last 5 minutes. Substantial declines in volume here. Not so good. Not so good. Don't like that at all. Okay, what else here? Let's see. Wow, Enphase 8%. So painful. Oh well. Lemonade. Oh, Lemonade's about to break 140. That's crazy. Yeah. No, don't get me wrong. You know, FRX is still doing very well, right? I never opened a position on FRX though. I'm more of a CCIV GHVI. Oh my gosh, Tesla almost broke 740 here. Woo! What a downtrend on Tesla. People are taking their tendies and they're eating their lunch and they're leaving. People are not happy at the Teslas. Clever. Wow. This has just broken a new entry point. Clever under 15. I like. I like clever under 15. I'm too extended right now to really be buying heavily. Although there's a good chance. There's a good chance I might do some buying today. I'll probably save that for the private live stream, which starts in an hour and 20 minutes. But I might do some serious buying today. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. It's a Monday. It's interesting. Really, recovery, though. Nice rotation into recovery here. Carnival Cruise Lines. I told you this was going to go up over 8%. Look at that. 9% now. Norwegian, almost 10%. American Airlines, 11.5%. Really big rotation here into recovery. Very, very big. Let's see. What do we got? Oh, wow. Norwegian, over 10% here. Nice. A lot of enthusiasm about a recovery here. Neo is like just totally forgotten. Do I accept crypto for the courses? You know, I've never done that before, but can't you PayPal people crypto? Can you do that now? Or how would you do that? I don't know. So if you could teach me how to accept Bitcoin, I will accept your Bitcoin. But I have no idea how to receive Bitcoin money. I am clueless. I just got here. What the F is going on with Tesla? That's what we're wondering too. Let's go jump for a moment over to. Let's go jump into Bloomberg. Could the huge dip be because of the Supreme Court once again telling Trump he has to reveal his taxes? I don't think so. I don't know. I don't know why that would move the market so much. Yeah, I don't know about that. Let's look at Tesla here. Don't give Kevin your Bitcoin wallets give you a public and private key. Oh, I got to give people my public key. Is that the thing? No, you can only hold Bitcoin in PayPal. You can't transfer. Okay, so could I give people like my BlockFi? Do I have a public key in BlockFi? Let's see. I don't know if they operate a vault. I will be very transparent. I am just scratching the surface on Bitcoin. I don't think so. I gotta figure that out. Because I know you can send partner for yeah, no, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Cash App has a key you can use. Oh, really? Don't ever give anyone your private key. Thank you for saying that. If BlockFi gives you one, you're gonna see it going into your. Okay, no, they don't. No, don't. I don't know. I'll log in it over here. I'll see it. Let me log into the website. I don't see it on the app. BitPay is the easiest. So I have so many accounts. You know, this weekend I opened up like a Voyager, a Kraken, a Binance. Crazy how much stuff I opened up this weekend. I'm just gonna test them all out and see how they all compare. Right now, seriously, the winner right now has been BlockFi. Go to metkevin.com/BF if you want the referral on that one. BitPay is good. Biden's pie went bad today. Biden's pie. Oh my gosh, yeah. No, it's been a process. Okay. So let's see what the news is. I want to see the news here on Tesla. BlockFi has a deposit address for each crypto. Oh, really? Like, is it a private key for each crypto? Okay, let's figure this out. 953. Okay, here we go. I don't know how to do that, though. It says trade. Okay, no, I don't want to trade. I have no idea how I would be able to receive money. Oh, wait, deposit. Maybe it's under deposit. If I receive Bitcoin, wallet address. But how do I know if this is my public address or my private one? I guess I don't. BlockFi Bitcoin wallet address. Wallet address. That sounds like something that would be public, but it doesn't say. Yeah, I don't know. I'm too stupid. Sorry. Gemini. I've got a Gemini account. I can do a Gemini. Oh man, we're having a lesson on Bitcoin here at the same time. So where do I see it in Gemini? Let's see. Pay. Oh, that's cool. Pay with crypto. Oh, that is fancy. Oh, they set it up like Apple Pay. Ooh. Ooh. Private keys are always hidden. That's it. Somebody says that's the address. Yeah, that's it. If it's giving you to receive or deposit, it's your public. They're likely hiding your private. Oh, yeah, because it gives me like the QR code too. So what you're saying is I could show everybody my private, the public wallet address. Can you attach like a note? Like I'm sending you this for the stocks and money course using coupon code HODL. Can you do that? Can you put a note in there? Let me know if you could do a note. You will never be able to share your private key from an exchange. Oh, okay. Well, thank you for that. If you have a WordPress website, easiest on you and the customer to integrate with your store. Coinbase is a good answer. Oh, I actually have a Squarespace website. I wonder if I can integrate Coinbase with that. All right, let's go back to the 6. Yes, you can put a note. Oh, that's cool. Okay. So should I just put this up and then say if anybody wants to enroll in the course using Bitcoin, send it to me that way? I'll do that. Okay, hold on. Deposit Bitcoin. If I get hacked for doing this, I'm gonna be very disappointed. Hold on one sec, and then we'll go back to the sticks. Okay, so let's put it on here. I'll put this on my iPhone. Tesla trying to bounce back. It's the public address. Okay, all right. Okay, if you say it is, yeah, I bet you Dave & Buster's is doing good right now. Don't worry, Kevin. We're all trustworthy. Show us your keys. Public QR code thing. Okay. Okay. No, nobody's screaming at me, telling me not to do it. Somebody in here will try to rob you. Don't share the wrong things. It doesn't have a phrase. No, there's no phrase. Kevin, just bump. You'll be fine. Your BTC is like public, like an email address. Really? Okay. Hold on. I want to see this really quick. I want to see what Dave & Buster's is doing. It's got to be up like 10%. That's my guess. 5%. Oh, that's a nice run. That's nice. You can always make 2 wallets, one to take payments. That's true. I could maybe go to the Gemini. Where do I find it under Gemini? Because there's got to be a wallet over there too. Gemini, default payment method. Okay, whatever. Bitcoin. I guess there would probably be like a way to deposit here as well. Oh, deposit. Oh, okay. Deposit address. Here. I'll put up my Gemini. Okay. We'll put up my Gemini. Put a note in. And then that way, if you wanna pay me in Bitcoin for the courses, since some of you are saying you want to do that, here we go. There you go. Okay, I'm doing it. Okay, I got a whole 0.22 Bitcoin in this account. So if you end up figuring out how to rob me, you're getting a whole 0.22. Yes. Okay, so please include your email if you are going to send me Bitcoin for the course. I've never done this before, so make it stupid proof for me. Include your email and which course you want, and then I don't know, give me like a couple hours. It's kind of cool. Look at crypto; they all have their public key in their profile. Oh, really? Every crypto and wallet. Oh, that's fancy. That's why we all hate Robinhood for crypto. Yeah, because you can't receive any. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Tesla's going down because of your interview with Sandy Munro. Oh, that's cool. I don't know why he sold. I really don't. There we go. I don't know why he dumped his Tesla. Okay. Churchill's flat. It's the recovery stocks today. I don't know what it is. Today, it's just the day of the recovery stocks. They are killing it. Carnival's almost up 10% right now. Oh my gosh, recovery stocks. Oh, this is why you want to make sure you have a balanced portfolio. Oh my God. Like everything else is red and everything else is what I have. Oh man. What a day. What a day. What is this crap? Cannabis selling off, tech selling off, EV selling off. Dude, it's literally like the stock god said, let's just meet Kevin today. Woo! Oh, man. There's a new Bloomberg CCC, whatever article, CCIV article. Let's go see. Okay. Let's go. CCIV. Churchill Capital, the money printer. News. lose. You're in the same sinking boat. Jeez, inflation sell-off. Yeah, market crash. You bought play when I did, and it doubled. Good job diamond handing that. Congratulations. Smart. Lucid Motors. I mean, I knew it was going to be a double. It was either going to go bankrupt or it was going to double or triple. There was no question of that. The bankruptcy risk was really overstated, though. You know, the market was saying it had like a 40% chance of bankruptcy. They raised enough money to survive, though. So what's the okay here? Oh, new article. Here we go. New Bloomberg article said near to a deal. The combined entity will be valued as much as this is the same thing we saw. $15 billion. SPAC has been in talks to be raising between 1 to 1.5 bill. That's going to give a lot of nice working capital to Lucid. I mean, I want to see them get this money and start printing cars. Because once they start printing cars, they'll really be able to print tendies. Okay. Decline to comment. What's new here? There's nothing new. Okay. Saudi Arabian Wealth Fund. We got it. This is literally just an updated version of the same article that we saw. Yeah, exactly. It's literally the same article, just reiterated. EBIX, what's it? Oh, no. Watch it run. Watch it be running. And I should have bought the darn thing. No, it's actually dipping. Let's keep an eye on this. It's interesting. See, it's not showing that. I mean, nice recovery. Maybe just because the day's crappy. Let's see here. Let's see. Let's zoom into this one a little bit. Okay. I don't know. How's the volume been? It's had some low moments. Yeah, volume's declining. It's tough. It's tough to set up a trade when right now. The market's so funky. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Here we go. Okay, look at FRX. It literally gave up everything. It's literally the little targets that we've been setting. They're just rubber banding down. Ay, ay, ay. FRX just giving up the gains. Churchill Capital giving up the gains here. Dave & Buster's up 5%. American Airlines. It's the recovery. That's where the money is right now. The recovery stocks are just crushing it. Yeah, Clever's under 15. Absolutely. Rough day. With the exception of recovery. If you're in recovery, you're printing today. $15.99. It'll get there, probably. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, bot is down. Email. Sorry. Okay. All right. Agora. API. Wow, it's extending losses. Folks, API extending the dip. If this continues to dip, this is going to start getting to be, this is going to start getting to an interesting territory. Oh my God. Tesla, 735. Falling knife. It is literally the blade that is plummeting. Wait, we gotta put a buy order in. But watch what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be evil, okay? It's gonna be really evil. It's probably gonna bounce well before it ever getting to this. But here we go. I'm just doing this to be evil right now. But you have to. You have to be evil. Okay. Let's see if we can see it here. All right. There it is. Look at that buy I just put in. Well, you can't see it, can you? Oh, there. If I do that, no. It won't show you because I'm in the way. There you go. Look at that. Let's see if it ever gets there today. $699.99. Oh man. Someone says the Tesla chart is pointing to $500. Wow. Yikes. Welcome, Alex Harris. Thank you so much for signing up for the course and then donating $5 Canadian. Appreciate you. That's really cool. So, oh, what's this?
It's of misery that we know exist out there that aren't touched by the more targeted things that help is provided there as well.
Oh,
on inflation concerns. Goldman Sachs saying in a piece this weekend it was less worried than others because the relief is a one-time event and it sees imports offsetting pricing pressures in the U.S. Under Goldman's forecast, the economy should be back to its potential by the end of this year. Much of this all sure to come up tomorrow in Fed Chair Jay Powell's testimony this week in Congress. Carl?
Steve, keeping track of some of these Q1 estimates, Atlanta Fed at 9.5, is that about as high a number as you've seen?
Hold on, let me look. It is as high as I've seen, Carl. I have estimates here. No, I have Jeffries at 9.5. I have Stephen Stanley at Amherst Pierpont at 7.5. But yeah, Jeffries and Atlanta Fed would be 9.5. But Carl, what I was really...
all right. This is a really interesting dip market right now. Really, really interesting. Look at Redfin down 3%. Folks, Redfin reports soon. And in my opinion, they're going to smash. I could be wrong. I have a lot of money in Redfin. I really like Redfin. They did run up, though, after Zillow. So it's possible that we've already seen the push there. Wow, Matterport went negative. Oh, man. Man. Look at that sell-off. But you know what? If Matterport can go under 20, I'm going to do some nibbling again. I got to get me some more Matterport. I mean, it had a crazy, crazy run in the intraday today. But everything just selling off today. DT. Yeah, sorry, guys. Hold on one sec here. Okay. Okay, so what else do we have here? FRX. Oh my gosh! Come on! Oh my gosh! What? Look at what it hit! Oh snap! What did I put it on? So we hit 1655 when I put it there, and then we literally set it for 15.99 to be a jerk. And it goes to 16 and bounces off. Oh my gosh. I can't execute on it right now though, because there's just I don't have the volume there. I just don't have the volume there. Let's see here. I'm just doing some of these rolls manually here really quick. Tab money. Gotcha. Okay. Tab. Oops, sorry. Okay, there we go. Sorry. Okay, wow, that is crazy. Tesla found a floor around 740. Really? Yeah, let's see that. Let's look at Tesla here really quick. Let's see. Okay, Tesla. Yeah, bounced off that 735 hard. And TJ got Okay, sorry. Give me 1 sec. The stupid robot for this is broken, and I'm fixing this for some of those. Like 5 of you just joined the Stocks and Psychology of Money group, and I want to make sure you got in. So thank you for that. I got your emails here. All right, so I gotta focus. Okay, so let's see, what do we have here? So American Airlines, really? Oh my gosh, I don't get it. Why is Recovery doing this right now? This is crazy. Crazy. Let's see. Okay. Sorry. It's like daily. There we go. Okay. So Churchill Capital, CCIV, Delta. Look, every recovery stock, Wynn, Marriott, Delta, United, Carnival, Norwegian, American, Dave & Buster's, Disney. Oh, Disney's actually moving up a bit. Booking Holdings. They're all doing well. Recovery is bouncing off China recovery article about Cinemaker TV. Really? Let's look at this. China Cinemark. Are you talking about Cinemark? Okay. What's the news here? Okay. China cinema. Oh yeah, here. China cinema screen counts leap despite COVID closures. Is this it? Yeah, I figured you meant Cinemark. That's all right. This is interesting. Look at this. China cinema screen count leaps despite COVID closures. Despite nearly 6 months of cinema closures due to COVID-19, China actually built nearly 6,000 more screens in 2020. Wow. The data contradicts the disastrous predictions made over the summer about the extent to which the pandemic would devastate China or the Chinese exhibition sector. Wow. Okay. All right. That is interesting. Thank you for that. Yeah, recovery stocks are doing very, very well today. UK reopening schedule. Palantir. Is Palantir going back down? Hey, dip opportunities. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's going to break 28 again. This is just, it's selling off with the tech sector. These are great prices for Palantir. What else? Gosh, yeah, what a painful market today. I want to see really quick. What's the Wall Street Journal saying front page? Wall Street Journal. They usually have good coverage on what the heck's going on. Okay. Oops. I'm pretty sure I just saw the My Pillow guy come up again. I actually do not see something here. Let's go to FT. Okay. Let's see. Amazon giving out the stocks. Supreme Court doesn't. No, interesting. We don't actually have a lot of coverage on the front page about the sell-off right now because the sell-off's pretty blunt here. Apple back on top with global smartphone sales. Instacart exploring use of robot-driven warehouses. Wow. All right. Let's go. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, the entire tech sector is down, so that's probably why Apple's selling off as well. Let's look at AAPL. AAPL. Yeah, look at that. 2.9% down here. Woo! Everything painful. But buy the dip. Hey, who hasn't seen the Buy the Dip song yet? Okay, if you haven't seen the Buy the Dip song yet, you're missing out. Hold on. We got to pull it up. This is the kind of day we need the theme song. Buy the dip. Okay, if you type in buy the dip, it's like the fourth result, which is kind of cool. Okay, here we go.
Lots of money. Oh, but that's okay. I am with you, with you. Oh man, your boy Kevin just lost lots of money. Oh, but that's okay. I am with you. Here we go, come on, push it, buy the dip, buy the dip. Here we go, come on, push it, buy the dip, buy the dip. Here we go, come on, push it, buy the dip, buy the dip. Here we go.
This is what we gotta play every time this happens. Oh man. Woo! All right, it's so amazing, yeah. Oh my gosh, Palantir has no floor. It's given up every bit attendees. Oh, wow. Churchill's actually staying stable. I'm shocked. I'm shocked about this price adjustment. Like, I wouldn't have been shocked if it were flat. The fact that it's up 12% today and it's staying stable, holding firm, not bad. Not bad at all. Carnival giving up a little bit of the euphoria here. A little bit of a red candlestick coming up over here. I have to say, rough day. I mean, this is a day to pick up some Enphase, a day to pick up some Tesla, Bitcoin 52.8. We got the red, pink candlestick or purple candlesticks here again. Open doors selling off. We've got cannabis selling off. EV, cannabis, and tech. Painful day. Good day to go shopping, though. That's for sure. Look at Tesla nicely moving off this dip here. Nicely moving. Redfin down 2.6%. We got earnings coming up in 2 days on that one. That's going to be big. Big Wednesday coming up. Ooh. Okay, let's see. Let's look at... let's go ahead and look at... I want to see what the people on Wall Street are saying. Let's go. Let's hit the Wall Street news here. Let's go to... let's see. Let's just look at all news here. I want to see what the headlines are. All news. Or just News Hub. Come on. Here we go. News Hub. Or we can just do top news for right now. Top news. Top. Peter Thiel sold off a lot of Palantir. Fox News says COVID cases are 40% down and deaths are down 32%. I believe that. Let me look here. That could be driving this as well. Let's go to the New York Times. People are pricing in that maybe the pandemic's over. Yeah, there you go. Wow, that's actually really good. Those are, I mean, it's still bad, but relative to what it has been, that's exciting. That we're seeing such rapid declines here. So I'm happy about this. This is very good. Yeah, you're right. That probably is pushing this recovery play substantially. And you print some nice tendies on recovery if you've been in them for a while. You had to hold through a lot of pain, but recovery's been very good. Obviously now, I mean, look, Agora selling off. Just any tech right now. Nope, no thank you. Sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off. Everything down. Peloton now down 6%. Look at this straight down today. I mean, this is like a worse downslope than a water slide. Just this is like the water slide where you have to have the platform that like falls, and then that way you could go down it because you can't really get on it because it's so steep. So you need the platform to just launch you down. SFTW, I see your Discord. Let's see what you got. So let's see here. Okay. So moving on. Let's see here. What else? Yeah, serious downslips here. Yeah, COVID down 40%. That's the news. Must be. Yeah, it must be because it's all of this. Let's see here. Craziness. Crazy. High Cape, Enphase. Yeah, continuing the tech sell-off. What Enphase though? Enphase, yeah, no, it's still kind of trending down. What's FRX doing? Let's pull that one up really quick. Okay, FRX, here we go. FRX 66 had a nice recovery again after bouncing off 16, but it's coming back down. See, you just can't, you can't play this today. You can't trade today. It's nuts. Oh, wow, 4% down on Matterport now. If we get under 20, that's where it could get some excited again. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, actually, the graphic, the user interface for Bloomberg, they purposefully make it this old and crappy looking because they want it to feel like it used to. Apparently, is their thinking. Simple, heavy on the info. So, okay, let's see the top news. Technology stocks lead decline. Let's read the market wraps here for a sec. Let's see what they're saying. Let's see if they give a reason. NASDAQ slid 2,000. Commodities were uniformly green. Inflation is about to rewrite the stock market playbook. Yep. Treasury yields were little changed after a key part of the curve, the gap between the 5 and 30 years, touched the highest level in more than 5 years. Yields rose in Asia while U.S. government yields reversed and advanced and edged lower. Okay, what else? Elsewhere, Brazilian markets tumbled following President Jair Bolsonaro's decision to replace the head of Petróleo. See how many are enrolled email. So there you go. Okay, the real fell 2%. The real fell 2%. Bitcoin slumped more than 10% at one point. Some key points to watch this week. Fed chair delivers remarks on semi-annual monetary policy review to the Senate Banking Committee on Tuesday. Oh, that'll be fun. Finance ministers and central bankers from the group of 20 will meet virtually Friday. U.S. Treasuries will be among the U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen will be among the attendees. Currencies. Dollar spot fell 0.1%. Bond yields up on the little change, slightly up. Interesting. Okay. What else here? Yeah, really funky day here. Inflation proofing. Bitcoin pairs losses. Strong case for post-pandemic pessimism. What are they saying? Last week, I argued the right focus is for fiscal stimulus was to provide support for businesses. Hold on. What's going on with this? There we go. Okay, here. But as restrictions gradually ease, the need for fiscal... Okay, this is just someone's opinion. Okay, that's fine. Oh, I do want to listen to... Let's try to see what Fox Business is saying about this. Let's go to Fox Biz, unless we're on commercial there too. It seems like everyone's on commercial. Just want to hear. We haven't listened to them in a moment.
And it looks like Royal Caribbean says that they will return to normal bookings in 2022.
Okay, 2022. That's some way off, I would say.
Just a year out. But that's how markets work, right? You price out what's going to happen in the future, not right now.
You got that right. Thanks, Susan. Now, stop what you're doing and take a look at this. These are the first images from NASA's Perseverance Mars rover.
We know about the NASA stuff. Yeah, look, the question here is, shouldn't Bitcoin be going up because of inflation? This is this trade right now. Well, first of all, Bitcoin seems to trade with the market. When the tech sector falls, Bitcoin falls. And that's unfortunately one of the ironic problems about Bitcoin. Okay. It's one of the issues with Bitcoin is you don't really get the opposite movement from the market. It almost moves with the market. Let's look at FRX here. FRX, okay, it's trying to push up again. Gosh, I mean, nothing was really a trade today with the exception of recovery on that news. But how quickly did Norwegian now? But see, even that's softening. We had that gradual incline, but now we're getting that gradual slide down, gradual profit taking. Oh, yep, it would help if I were actually on the chart. Yeah, geez, even American dipping down here. So that nothing's safe right now. Nothing is safe today. Dry bulk shipping is going to be the best recovery sector in 2021. Is that for corn and stuff like that? Or what's dry bulk? I mean, that's what I think of. Got my tax return today, buying the dip. Oh, congratulations. Good for you. That's awesome. Musk goes to Mars. Kevin breakfast on me. I am getting hungry. Yeah, have I talked about BNGO? What's it doing today? Let's see. I haven't. 5%. I mean, that's not like a horrible sell-off. I mean, Lemonade, Som, Upwork, OGI, Trade Desk, Tesla, everything's down. Everything's down 5% today. Jeez, what a rough. And we kind of saw this coming last week a little bit, right? Last week was pretty rough. Yeah, last week was pretty rough because we had we kind of started getting these signs. It was, what was it? I want to say Monday was okay. Oh no, I'm sorry, Monday was closed. Tuesday was okay, but Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the market was literally like this. It was tenuous. It's just, I don't know. I want to go up, but I don't want to go up. I want to go up, but I don't want to go up. It was really rough trying to trade the market. So it's been a little crazy. Let me send a quick text here if you don't mind. Hold on one sec. Manually a top priority. Okay, good. So focus on role assignments first. Okay, I got somebody helping me with the role assignment. So if you enrolled in the course, after you enroll, just shoot me a quick email, kevin@meetkevin.com, and Kathy will get you enrolled right away, ideally before 9. I'm going to say that. Ideally before 9, so they can join the private Q&A live stream. Okay, good. All right, we're on it. Check silver. It's up today. Is it? What's the silver? Silver. What's a good silver one? Silver or what's the good silver ETF? Isn't it AU is gold. So what's silver? No, is it AG? AG. First Majestic. Yeah, that's a silver ETF. Oh yeah. Wow, silver's up 8% today. Wow. Yeah. Interesting. FRX running again. Okay, it's trying to make a play here again on low volume though. So it's definitely trying to make a play on low volume. NGAC today, silver. Oh yeah, that's another one. SLV. Thank you for that. NGAC. Let's look into NGAC. AG is not the ETF. Oh, it's not? Oh. Okay, I don't know anything about silver. EBI. Okay, yeah, sorry. Kilgore. Email me. Oh yeah. Yeah, there we go. This one's breaking out. Okay, let's see the volume. Oh, okay. Yeah. This could be the breakout. The reiterate. Okay. I don't mind. I might put a little bit on this and just ride this a little bit. It's a tough market to be in right now, but let's go put a little bit in. I'm gonna go light on this. Let's go 100. No, let's go like 5,000. What's 5,000 get? No, not 5,000. 500. Ah man, it's really running now. 2880. Ah crap. I can't get in. Okay, let's buy a little bit. I'm gonna buy a little bit. $14,500 here. I'm gonna ride this one a little bit. Okay, let me see here. We're gonna ride this one off the short seller bounce here. We got the validation we wanted. The breakout is starting. Okay, let me send a quick alert. Money trade buying at 28,958 $14,500 of EBIX short seller bagger. Might hold through tomorrow. Okay. Yeah. All right. So let's put a little bit in. We'll see what happens. It's a really rough day to trade, but we'll see what happens today. So EBIX just placed the trade on this one, $14,000. We'll see what happens. Of course, getting a balancing green and red candlestick right after I trade. That's just classic. Let me clear this off here, the drawings. Okay, delete all. Let's get rid of the drawings here. There we go. All right, so we're gonna keep an eye on this one. We're gonna ride this one. Thank you for the shout out there, whoever mentioned it. But this I like this. This is the kind of steam we wanted to start building. We have volume increasing, a good solid increases in volume here. Good increases in volume. So I like that. Yeah, this is let's see, where do we think this can go? Let's find some other support. Oh my god, the amount of emails I'm getting is insane. Sorry, dude. Enter email. Like literally, I am blowing up. I gotta turn this off. It's so annoying. I have the email thing in the background, and it's just literally like bung, bung, bung. All right, so let's see here. I'm going to tell Kathy, extra cup of coffee and you'll be fine. We're all rooting for you on live. Go, Kathy. I have not looked at Cardano yet. That I do plan on doing that. Oil mooning. Yeah, I heard that about the fraud. He's gonna make tendies today. That's funny. Here we go. Oh yeah, push it, push it. All right, EBIX, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Print some tendies. Let's go. Man, I should trade with bigger numbers. Famous last words. Okay. Let's see here. Let's go. Let's see. Obviously, I'm not going to be live streaming forever, but when I sell this, I do post all of my trade alerts as well for sells. So for my sell alerts, you always get my buy or sell alerts, no matter what I trade, no matter how little or how big it is, you'll get an alert. And you'll know if it's a trade. You'll know my strategy, like how long do I think I want to be in it, or how short, and the amount and the share price and so on. But anyway, you only pay once if you check out the Stocks and Psychology of Money course. You could bundle up as well if you want. A lot of people like bundling up when they come in. You get a better price on the other programs as well. Really popular one, by the way, is bundle option number 1, because you bundle up the real estate investing course as well. And if you have not seen this, I highly encourage you check this out. It's 1 minute long. It's 1 minute long. Meet Kevin and then put in shorts. So meet Kevin #shorts. Watch this right here. This one. Oops. I don't know why this zoomed in like this. Hold on. Oh, God. There we go. Right here. Real estate versus stocks. Get rich fast. Watch this one. 1 minute long vertical video. Really, really good. So check that out. Okay, let's go back to the... Where am I going? Oh, I don't have to press those buttons. I just need to press this button. Okay, here we go. Oh, yes. Still green candle sticking here. Okay, so that's nice right now. Let's keep an eye on this one. What's Bitcoin doing too? I do want to know what Bitcoin's doing as well. Bitcoin at 53. Ooh, 53.7. It's recovered from that 52 point. Carnival Cruise Line. Yeah, I mean, the recovery plays today are just doing so well. Oh, sweet. So far, I'm up $1,200 on the EBIX play. Heck yeah. FSR moving? FSR? Fisker? What? That's not. Oh, I mean, 5.8%. That's you're right. That is pretty good. That is pretty good. No, you're right. You're right. I'm sorry. Sometimes I react quickly, and I apologize. That's the downside of doing live streams, is sometimes you can foot and mouth. Oh, red candle. I'm not getting out of this now, though. This is it's okay. This is let's go find that support. Let's go find it. So, look, this short seller thing's a joke. Look, we are so low right now at $31. We are trading at, oh, come on. We are trading at a support level that existed on November 20th. Oh my gosh, it's so low. I mean, honestly, this to me here might be more of a support. I might hodl this thing until it gets to $41. That I could try. Because see, we test the 40, 43, we test 41. Let's draw some trend lines, okay? So we tested 41, 29-ish twice over here. Let's draw that. We've tested here and bounced off 43. So let's draw that. And then we did have a longer term test here. Okay. Let's grab this. Let's try to grab a low over here. There we go. Yeah. I mean, I don't see this. I don't see this going back down under $20. So I think the risk is limited here. And I really wouldn't be shocked if we break through all of these lines. Wouldn't shock me at all for us to break through all of those. Yeah, that's a nice distance to go. I mean, who knows? But I like this. This is a good one right now, and I think we're early on it. Let's go, Disney. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. GHVI down 5.8%. EBIX. Okay. Marathon end phase. What else do we have? Let's go. Oh, Forest. Forest is really staying on into the 60s there. Kilgore. Send email at Mr. Shan. Okay, sorry. Yeah, for those of you enrolling right now in the Stocks and Psychology of Money group, after you enroll, just send Kathy a quick email, kevin@meetkevin.com, and she'll get you manually set up for the live stream. Our robot is broken. The stupid thing goes broken at like the worst times. Like, and I can't slap the thing either because it's a robot. I'm gonna make like a robot, like one of those voodoo doll dummies. Churchill's done nothing beyond being up 12% today. You're set. Sorry, one sec. I want to go to terminal here in a moment too. Okay. All right, 5 more seconds. Woo! Okay, it's hard to multitask here. I got to stop doing that. But I want to help those of you who joined the course. Okay, American Airlines. Okay, we're having a little bit of that recovery sell-off here, except silver is really bouncing right now. Yeah, recovery is giving up some of its gains right now. Carnival holding on to that 8% level though. Quantum's also had a volatile day here. Fisker. It's amazing. Fisker's moving like this. Did Fisker have news? We could go to the terminal here in a moment too. Not really. 2 electric vehicle stocks endorsed by Wall Street's mad scientists. What? Is that a thing? I want to be a mad scientist. Global mobility research at Morgan Stanley. He's a wicked smart dude. Forward thinking. Okay, what did he pitch? Fisker and Quantum. Wow. Okay. Very interesting. Fisker and Quantum win 5%. Yeah, not really pushing right now. Dave and Buster's $40, folks. $40 freaking dollars. Yeah, here you go. Okay, let's see here. Rough day. Rough day for the portfolios holdings. But I like EBEX is giving us a tiny little bit of money back. Oh, it is red candlesticking right now. That's okay. This is it's not going to be a surprise to see some volatility in this one. Again, to me, there's no reason why this is not going to break out over these lines over here. Bobby. Okay, what else? So Churchill. Oh, Churchill's finally moving again. Look, Churchill's running. Here we go. Churchill is running. Oh, nope. Never mind. It just literally gave up that run. Look at that fight it's having. That's just the nature of today. Just defines today. Okay, let's go Tesla. And I want to look at the Bloomberg's top news too again, or maybe even all news. Yeah, Tesla's actually off its lows. Man, I wish I had a bunch more money sitting around to buy some of these dips bigger. Tesla. Oh, let's go to all news. Let's see what we got. News Hub. Okay, let's see what we got going in here. Donald Trump is in very real legal jeopardy, says CNN. Why am I not surprised that CNN is saying that? All right. That's not what we're going to talk about right now, though, because instead we're going to talk about stuff that can make us money. Let's see here. Okay, oil, Bolsonaro popularity tumbles in Brazil. Okay, lots of updates coming in right now. United Bankers purchase own shares. Okay. New case numbers drop to level not seen in fall. Not seen since the fall. Nice. Trump, Boris Johnson, hedges. Tesla will struggle to continue growing at current speed. Ooh. Slam on Tesla. What is this? Who said this? Oh, BMW. Oh, BMW tweeting a slam. No way. Or who did this? Is this BMW? I think so. Let's see. Oh, we got to look at the poll, too, that we did on Twitter. So remember, you can follow me at RealMeetKevin on Twitter. By the way, I'm also on Clubhouse. So you can follow me on Clubhouse, too. I'm Meet Kevin on Clubhouse. So which are you buying today? CCIV mooning. So people are buying the CCIV, buying the FRX. But look at you, a lot of you, 56% of you buying that Bitcoin Ether dip. Not so many of you buying that that Matterport dip. Let's see, did BMW really slam Tesla? But I wouldn't know which one. BMW, Tesla. Let's see here. Latest. Shots fired. Yeah. But where was it? BMW. Where did BMW say? Maybe they didn't tweet it. It could just be a statement that BMW released somewhere. I disagree with that, but hey, I'm a Tesla bull, so obviously I disagree with that. You always have to check your own biases. Say them out loud so you know. Okay, wow, look at all these price changes here. JP Morgan downgrades Petrobras to underweight. Petrobras? I mean, don't fault me for saying that sounds like oil bras. Oil bras. Okay. Reinstates. Okay, well, I want to see some companies that I recognize here. Okay, here. Adjust price target to on Square to 380 from 300. Maintains buy rating. Mizuho. Nice. That's a big move up on Square. I'm bullish on Square too. Although I'm pretty sure it's down right now. Citadel. Citadel said they were done shorting. And yet here they are, folks. Oh, wait, no, that wasn't Citadel. Was it Citadel? I thought it was Citadel. No, Citron. Citron was done shorting. That's it. Citadel takes a 0.5% short position in countryside. Okay. Citadel reduced a short position in Sainsbury. Ooh, that could be bullish for Sainsbury right here. Citron shaving out of that one. Sexy Tea Shop recalls offensive merchandise that referred to women as bargains. Why is this on the Bloomberg terminal? I don't understand some of the stuff that comes through on this. It's all AI that puts this through. Okay. U.S. nears 500,000th COVID death. Yikes. Boris Johnson reveals plan to exit all lockdown restrictions by June. I mean, that could help push the market up for sure. I worked at BMW, but am a Tesla bull. The selling point they're touting to us is that EV BMW are more recyclable than Teslas, which I found to be a weak selling point. Yeah, I agree with that. Elizabeth, sign up for his courses. He teaches you everything. Oh, I appreciate you saying that. That's really nice. I'm holding the EBIX for a while. My expectation is probably, let's look at the chart here. My expectation is until tomorrow, at least until tomorrow. So we're stabilizing here. Still have stronger volume though. Still have stronger volume than we had here. So I'm holding on this one. We'll see how this moves. So let's see here. Oh, we're getting little red candlesticks here. Oh no, that's all right. I'm not gonna freak out watching it for right now. We're gonna keep an eye here. Let's see. Churchill 13%, American Air 10%, GameStop. So Churchill's moving up again a little bit here. Carnival slow moves up. The recovery had its move up for the day. I don't know that recovery is going to keep moving for the day. Very tough day to trade. So this is one of the reasons I put in half of the amount of money into trades today that I would ordinarily do. Oh, wow. Matterport down about 7% here. Peloton almost down 7%. Ugh. Cape down 7%. I don't like Cape though. So, no offense to anybody in Cape, but I thought the clickbait on ARK was very frustrating. Yeah, I'm not adding to Clever, but I'm not anti-Clever. Like I'm not planning on selling Clever anytime soon. It's a cannabis play, very very low volume sell off here, some profit taking there, low volume, not something I'm offended by. Yeah, booking holdings. Okay, all right. Let's see. Let's listen to CNBC here as well. Yeah, right. Bouncing back up on EBIX. Again, to me, wouldn't shock me at all to see EBIX run up towards that $40 range. We've got a way to go though. Got a way to go, and that's all right. We'll hold on to that one. We'll see how it goes. Shorts. I love trading off the dips on the short sellers. FRX 21%. Here, this one's pushing back over 17 now. Very, very slow trade day, though. Bots are people, too. Bot lives matter. Palantir. Yeah, Palantir trying to come back. Yeah. Thoughts on BlockFi SPAC merger? Really? GSAH. The SPAC. Kevin O'Leary saying 5% of his portfolio is in Bitcoin. Did that just come out? Did he tweet that? Maybe he tweeted that. Let's see. 5%. Kevin O'Leary. Kevin O'Leary TV, aka Mr. Wonderful. 3 hours ago. I don't know. He didn't recently say that, I guess. Or at least not on Twitter. Maybe he said it somewhere else recently. Okay, what was the SPAC? What is the SPAC going public with? Are we sure that GSAH is BlockFi? Let's see what the rumor is. Live on CA Trader TV. Okay. So a special purpose acquisition company. I mean, that's pretty cool. I mean, hey, buy the dip. House committee. Okay, Microsoft, SolarWinds to testify. Let's see. It doesn't look like you're enrolled in the alert section. Email. There we go. Okay. Yeah, that is interesting on Kevin O'Leary. I don't think that's going to move the market, but it is cool. Yeah. Okay. 53,600 on Bitcoin right now. Yeah, I talked about Clever a little bit, but not too much. Let's see. eBayX. Okay, stabilizing here, about $30. So up about $1 there. Yeah, it's struggling though. It's struggling to really push here and break out again. It's got volume though. It's definitely got volume. I think possibly this one could be a tomorrow, where you hold it through tomorrow. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So okay, Clever recovered a tiny little bit. Still a hold for me. Endphase, Tesla of 747. Okay, it's moving up. It's moving up nicely off this. Oh yeah. We wanted to see what the SPAC was. So what was this trying to target? I didn't think BlockFi was looking at a SPAC, honestly. So yeah, who suggested a BlockFi as a potential there? All right. So what else here? Unrelated news. Daft Punk is calling it quits. Oh, really? Man, Daft Punk is good. Oh, man. Just email Kathy's on it. We'll fix. All right. Let's see. BNGO opinion. Sure. Let's take a look. Tough day. Tough day today. Okay. Yeah, tough to make them plays. Yeah, it's really, really fighting right here. I wouldn't be surprised that tomorrow we just see a jump up on something like this. That, it ends up opening at one of these levels tomorrow. Wouldn't surprise me. But who knows? There's no guarantee in trading. We're just trying to look at, some potential trades here, some potential swinging. We'll see what happens. It can go up or it could go down. E-Hang. See, Neo down 5.3%. Wow, man. Wow. Rough. It's just such a bloody day. Okay, 20.14%. Yeah, really, really FRX staying in that 16% or $16 to $17 range. So really range bound on FRX, really range bound on CCIV. Silver going up 10% now. All the recovery guys up a lot. Americans still sitting at 10%. GameStop still sitting at 10%. Dave & Buster's. So let's see here. Okay, a couple yet. Schlag and hold on one sec. Schlag and Exit. Okay. All right, let's see here. Fisker, Marriott, Spirit, Delta, Win. Okay, nothing really changing here. Let's look at the broader sticks, let's look at top news for a sec. So this is all news. Let's just pull top for a second. We'll come back to that. Top news. See if there's anything new here. Top news. No. Feature stories. No. Treasury Bulls may still refuse to call it quits. No major news here. Okay, let's go back to all news. Okay, here we go. Just a rough day. Don't look at your portfolio today. Today's the day you'll make yourself feel bad by looking at your portfolio. Okay. Now, nothing really here either. I mean, there's really no major catalyst I see here. Eric Trump blames Biden's policies for Texas freeze in bizarre interview. It's a bizarre headline, but okay. All right, let's go back to sticks. Yeah, Churchill still range bound. FRX right under 17. EBIX. Yeah, okay, here we go. EBIX trying to run again. Let's go. Come on, push it. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's break through 33. No. Wrong way. Push up. Yes, there we go. That way. Come on, turn green. Let's go. It's like a magic trick. You just have to cooperate. You just push up. All right, we'll let it do it. We'll let it do its thing. We put the juju in. Okay, 53.6 on Bitcoin. If you haven't voted yet, go on to my Twitter at RealMeatKevin. Also follow me on Clubhouse at MeatKevin. Square is what? Square's a little down today, but still at 270. Still very good. Wow, Redfin recovering here after some losses at 95. Okay, a lot of the things that sold off today recovering right now. Very good. Dave & Buster, but with the exception, of course, recovery stocks are just doing so well right now. What else is selling off? Agora, it was down as much as, and Twitch. I'm on Twitch too. Email, okay, one. So, with your Discord tag, bot is down, sorry, from lecture 1.0. Okay, Zillow really giving up some money here. Matterport going on sale, 5% off. Zillow giving up a little bit. Luminar, LiDAR. I'm out of LiDAR. Not in any LiDAR right now. Clever, definitely pain here. Clever and Enphase. EH released a statement. Okay. EHang. Let's look at their statement. EHang provides details. Oh, okay. Okay. So they talk about the reference. I'll have to go a little bit more detailed into this, but they provided some answers. How's the market reacting? I mean, that was a few hours ago. Let's see how they're reacting. Okay. Yeah, EHang's actually not reacting well, but then again, it's also okay. This is when they released their statement right here. So they ran up on their statement release, went to $65, but sold off here in the tech sell-off. It's unfortunate. Ugly day, honestly. Ugly day. Yeah, it's tough to trade on these kinds of days too. Okay. Shoot an email to K1. Let's zoom into the stick here. Still red again. Come on. Let's go. Where's the love? Push up. Still got for the what it is. It still has decent volume. I think it's really going to have to be like a tomorrow morning move. It'll either be up a lot or down a lot. CCIV breakout. Let's see it. It's trying. It's trying. It's starting. John Co. Shoot an email to. Okay. Yeah, Exxon's up again today. That one had a little bit of a sell-off last week. Wow. Okay, definitely some dip buying. Okay. All right. So I think we did good. I would say better. You guys have a better view on Twitch. That's interesting. It's just less blurry or something like that. I don't know why it would be. Make sure you're on 1080p if you're on YouTube. Should be really, really nice and clear. And if somebody can let me know how to make this larger, like all the text larger, that'd be pretty cool. I'll try to do that again after this. But okay, cool. So let's see what happens, folks. We'll see how the market closes today. Very, very rough day. Yep, rates are up. Things are down. Tech's down. Marijuana's down. EV's down. All the things we love are down. Recovery's up. It's 1080p. Is it still a little blurry on 1080p? It should be pretty clear. Let's check myself really quick. Yeah, that is weird. Let's see if you go back a little bit. Yeah, it's not as clear as it should be. You're right. I don't know why. Yeah. Oh, well. All right. Well, folks, thank you on Matt, on both. Yeah, we will as well. You're not. That's weird. Yeah, I don't know why. All right, folks, clear, just not as clear as Twitch. That's interesting. Everybody has a little bit of a different experience going on. Anyway, I will be live in the private course member live stream in 12 minutes. And I'll be able to do a whole lot of Q&A. We'll have fun. It'll be a blast. Yeah, let's see what happens in this crazy market today. If we get some nice buy the dip opportunities. All right, folks. Thank you so very much for being here. Appreciate you all. We will see you in the very next public live stream. Thanks for being here.